Let's talk about technology. Take a look at the NASDAQ. We're slipping. We're off about 1.5%. Remember, we were high earlier, but when you have companies like Tesla, NVIDIA, Meta all slinking to the downside, that pulls the NASDAQ with it. Let's do more with David Stryzewski, the CEO of Sound Planning Group. Is this healthy profit taking, or do you get a little bit nervous when you get economic data that all the equity markets start to roll over?
You know, we're seeing a lot of people right now that have estimates of what the market's going to do. There's expectations of the Trump bump and what's going to be happening right now. So, yeah, NVIDIA earnings come out. They continue to explode to the upside. Yeah. And so they hit their numbers, and then everyone sells. And so we're just going to see some profit taking, and then hopefully we're back to the races. They seem in good shape.
Okay, let's stay in that tech space. You are a massive... I didn't realize how big of a crypto guy you are. There's a lot of guys in that boat right now, especially as the price crossed 100,000 for Bitcoin. But as you look to the coming year, okay, is it getting just a little rich, perhaps, if you're somebody who's not in already?
I mean, I guess as we're talking about technology here, and Liz just showed us all these major innovations that are coming. Yeah. No, there are incredible things that are coming. We've got the most pro-crypto president right now in the United States, 60% of Congress that's on board. This is the moment right now in history where this is the ChatGPT moment for crypto, right? Where it's now coming out to the next level. And Ripple, XRP, is going to be probably the highway that most of the financial systems are going to be driving through here in the future. It will not be Bitcoin.
I was just saying before in our conversation about AI and NVIDIA, people need to see the applications. So you see the little Amy robot and start to understand how this is going to integrate in your life. And then you get excited about it. David, I want to talk to you about JOLTS, unexpectedly the highest that we've seen since May. You say this unemployment data, I agree with you, has been distorted, dishonest. What's coming down the pike?
Right. Well, so as we're looking at the data right now, yeah, it's slowing. And so where it's been taking like 5 months to get jobs, now it's taking 6 months. We've got a lot of white-collar jobs. And by the way, a lot of people in the greater Seattle area where I live are these white-collar tech workers that are having a harder time finding new positions right now. So if you want to go into labor, you want to go into, manual type of things, there's opportunities. But if you want to be in the tech space, AI's taking some of those jobs, and we're seeing just the beginning of this right now. And so I think that we're going to see unemployment potentially have some challenges. This was another year here of elections, and we had 818,000 in March that we knew were overstated. So I do not expect super strong employment numbers right now, but that's ultimately the last thing at the end of cycles as well.
Just quickly, we joke on this program, Jackie owes me a gold bar, Brian owes me a silver bar.
No, let's clarify. Brian took over the owing of the bars.
Which one do I pick? Gold or silver?
So what you want to do is you actually want to own silver. If you're getting the same amount of money, what you want is silver. Silver has an 88-to-1 ratio to gold right now. And so I'll do that deal every day in my life, 88 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. And so I think that silver is potentially going to lead for the next 3, 5, and even 10 years in our economy.
I'll just say this. Taylor and I will buy our own silver bars, and you still owe us gold.
David Stryzewski, Sound Planning Group CEO, thank you so much. We appreciate you.
You're going to be on the hook for precious metals soon, too.
Yeah, you're next.